Create a decoration that would cost a fortune in a store. Gather the small ornaments you have from last year and choose one size. They can be glittery, shiny, or matte to make the arrangement more interesting. Remove the caps from each one. Prepare a tall vase, add a bit of glue to each ornament, and attach it to the lower part of the vase. Take your time so the result looks truly special. Keep going until the bottom is fully covered. When the base is ready, prepare individual spruce branches, artificial or natural. Insert the branches alternately into the openings where the ornaments were. Then add cranberry branches. Their rich color contrasts with the spruce and brings out the winter Christmas feel. Pour artificial snow into the vase, place a small tree and a candle inside, and you're done. Set it on the Christmas table and everyone will ask where you bought it. Light the candle and watch as the decoration comes alive and fills your home with holiday magic.